How to recover a hacked Instagram account. If any day any of you are an Instagram user and you would like to recover your hacked Instagram account but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the Google Chrome on your mobile device. After you launch the Google Chrome on your mobile device, in the search section of your very Google Chrome, you have to search recover my Instagram account. Now, after you tap recover my very Instagram account, now you can see that the interface like this will appear. Now, after interface like this will appear, you have to go to the first option, that is I can't log in. Now after you tap on the option of I can't log in, you can see an interface like this. Now what you have to do is you can see the various kind of options like this. You can tap on any of those, otherwise you can go to the very three lines on the top, and you can also go to this very option of the help support on the Instagram, and either you can also go back once again and then you can go to the option of the manage your account there, and from there as well you can just set the very settings out there, and in the very Instagram you can send the very option that you can just recover your account. You can also send the very message to send the very support Instagram, and in the very search icon you have to search send the support Instagram message, and after you tap on that you can see the interface like this. You can tap on the option of Instagram help center once again, and after that you can just send the various kind of message to here with the help of email as well. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it and if you find our video to be meaningful to you, do not forget to subscribe our channel.